You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to end. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are a heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. I'm feeling great, great. From the very first day that we met, I'm feeling great, great. I can't explain the feelings I get. I'm feeling great, great. My mood to vlog you in figure eight. I'm feeling great, great. Thank you for restoring my faith. I love honor.
Make sure you get subscribers and click the bell. And make sure you get a bus pass like this.
Bless love and greatest my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. Wagwan. I hope all is well and a big up on the damn self. Give thanks to life. Give thanks for the rising. Give thanks for the dawning, you know. Yeah, man. Blessed is the man that walking nothing else of the ungodly, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yo, Rasmaki, big up yourself. Thanks for the feedback relating to the new intro. It's a song I'm record long time and a promo, but I'm going to try voice it back properly, you see me? Yeah, man, so give thanks for the feedback. Yeah, man, with the new intro, you know, we experiment and I try to replenish the thing and changes, you know? So, I know other my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, if you not feel a long intro, yeah. I don't want naturality, realism, you see me? Creativity, yeah, man. So, you don't know the reason why I'm vlogging again, see? Yes, so now on this platform right now, Sizzla came out, putting on another fire, you know, hot fire, scorchless fire. Speaking and also promoting his new album. Album sound good, the songs them. My viewers and subscribers, Sizzla talk some interesting stuff. He touched some side pointers. Zine man, so talk about some of them fellows Rastas them, but I don't know. You're going to hear him saying it because when I fix nothing and twist up nothing and escalate nothing, you see me? Yeah, so I don't know. Here is Sizzla say.
To make destructive weapons and harmful diseases and toxic drugs given to people. Where you take where money are though? Mr. Prime Minister, what is it you're doing with poor people's tax money? What you doing with repatriation money? Where is the repatriation money going? Africa, rise up. No president in Africa must take the vaccine. It's a big lie and a big scheme. And whenever time the people of the world, the citizens of the world find out, it's going to be a world citizen arrest. And you're going to have a human volcano because you're trying to vaccinate the people. Do not violate our human and indigenous people's rights. Rastafari. What are you doing with the money you're making from us, the people, slaving every day in your system? Bang it! System sentence of no poison, no prison. Free up the prisoner them. I am more big up yourself early in the morning, starving people and wasting money. Yeah. What I do with the money? Where money I go? Where is the money for repatriation? Where's reggae music money? Just the other day y'all were killing each other for atomic bombs. So what about that? The atomic bomb gone? Where them there? You know, here so no defuse no bombs, you know. So what about the atomic bombs? You come with biological warfare.
Father West, did it?
Sure, Father West, big up yourself. You hear me I say? Yeah, big up yourself, set speed. No head, no poison, no prison, no sort of diseases, right? Big up the people from the Caribbean. Big up the people them with just a tune in. Big up all the radio station them all over the world. See? Big up the people them we plant marijuana for a living, the people them we plant cotton for a living, the people them we plant banana. Anything you do that is not illegal, big up yourself. You have money for war, but you don't have money to feed the poor. Yeah? We have money for do everything. Yeah, let's reach our next part now. Like, I start with myself. And people look like me, a weird turban and have on locks, you know. Enough man who are artists are rich. Enough artists them rich, you know. Have locks, you know. I tell you, you know. Rich Jamaican artists them, you know. rich dancehall artists and reggae music artists and ska artists, you know, and rich jazz artists, you know. And them Rasta artists, you know, where my brother and sister, them not going to Bobo Hill, you know. So anywhere you see any Rasta man in the world, black people, ask them, are you going to keep the Sabbath today? Because it's a Sabbath. Oh, it is Majesty's birthday. Oh, it's Black History. Are you going to the Tabernacle to chant Nyabingi? The people in the world, where I start with yourself and me I start with myself. When you see Sizzla out there on the bike a wheelie and him and the bagger crowd and the pretty girls and the youngsters, you know, if ask them if them are come from Tabernacle. A lot of us wearing the turban and the robe and we have locks on our head, so we are Rasta. We're not going to Tabernacle. I cannot say you're not a Rasta man, as we Bongo Daniel record say. Sizzla, I cannot say they're not Rasta man, but I can say you're not a churchical Rasta man. Not for we as Rasta man, we're rich and have money and have locks on our head. We quick for go in at the clubs and go stage show, but we don't quick for join the Rasta Bingi man them at the Naya Bingi. When you look at us, the ancient Rasta man, them alone a chant. And we were rich out of the music and the culture with the money. We not buy no bathroom bowl. We not buy the face bases. We're not fortifying the fences. We're not fixing the roads to the holy temple. You, Rastafari artists wearing locks and have turban, you're not cleaning up your holy sanctuary. And if I send CVM, go up CVM and TVJ on stage, you don't need to go Rastaman Tabernacle. Go interview the Rasta man them. Because enough away we are Rasta artists and make millions of dollars. Make millions of dollars out of Rastafari name and culture. We are start with the self. We're not going to the Tabernacle. We don't know the reverence. We don't know the Ethiopia anthem. We don't know the Psalms. We don't know how to hold the banner. You don't know how to do nothing down a bingy ground. You don't know how to do nothing up a Bobo Hill. But you are sing about pretty girls. You see any day them pretty girls you find out about His Majesty. Fully and find out about Empress Menin. All pretty girls going to be in the Tabernacle. And them are going to cover up. Because you see the time. You see the crisis. So hear me now. Not even one or uno. Big artists. And me alone I go up there to and fro. Me tired. But me not stop them work. None of uno me no see with no Benz and Bima climb go Bobo Hill. In a Tabernacle go sit down and clap 1, 2. Our time now Rasta artists. The thing. You know change. Thing step up now. Me need to say Buju Bantan. Capleton Bugle, Sizzla, all Jamaican Rastafari artists. Once you have locks by your head, when Selassie birthday forward, you're supposed to be in a tabernacle and heal King Selassie once you have the locks by your head. Once you have the turban by your head, you're supposed to be a Bobo Hill, a chant. Once you have locks or turban, you're supposed to be a 12 tribe, Bobo Hill, Nyabingi, or Ethiopia World Federation, or down at Ethiopia Orthodox Church, a place in a bad state. And we know what we are going to feel like a fire. You're going to Haile Selassie school right now. The school name Haile Selassie. And the whole of we are praise King Selassie. And we have no sort of attention to the schools. But we are make whole heap of money out of dub plate. And whole heap of money out of reggae. Yeah, we are the Grammy artists and we just get that award and the trophy there. We are big hypocrite to the nation. Me not deal with coronavirus yet. And vaccine, me a talk about I and I we are singing a reggae music and dancehall. You see, you look on the Christians them, the Christian them churches paint up pretty. You look on the Muslim them, their masks are beautiful. What about the Rasta man tabernacle? No, and it don't require a lot to fix these places. Fire! See me a man and cuss me. All them black people. Yeah, go on. When you see me, you can't cuss me. Cause we are for a long time, we have to get rich now. So all the money is like a snow. Every day they do that. No, a serious matter this. Like our coronavirus, our people are dead. People lost their lives. Listen, all Rastafari artists in Jamaica, whenever time it is the birthday of His Imperial Majesty, you must make yourself present at the Tabernacle, even for an hour. Get your name registered in the Holy Book of Life. Is your name written there in that Lamb's Book of Life? I listen. Naya Bingi. Remember that. May I say it again. We Jamaican artists must stop be hypocrites to ourselves and the nation. A nation who have been supporting you through all the goodness and all the bad things.
Give back some love.
We need to give back to the Nyabingi Tabernacle. The Rasta man them there Bobo Hill, them alone up there from before Bob Marley born. The Rasta man them alone up at Bobo Hill, all them can see is Sizzla. I wanna ramp with it. Let me tell you something. You see all the baby mothers them for the Rastafari artists them. If you look upon them and say, hey, what go on? You know, I go Bobo Hill go pray. I'm gonna soon I pray. Oh, you can see the whole heap of Muslim and the Christian people them pray on Sunday and whenever time, respectfully. And we can't have no video with 1,000 artists praying. Antony be away there and we are there with determined Capleton. Oh, we know they are Bobo Hill in the Tabernacle praying. Why we not down a Naya Bingi? We don't know if the ground's cut. We don't know what go on. Let me tell you something. The judgment upon we know the artists. May I turn the attention of the people to the artists. Because the artists have the people singing nice and every day them in a club. The Rasta man them want strength too. Them want bathrooms. Them need face basin. You know, them need farm utilities. Them need them like something there too. We are make money and I call up the man them name about Rastafari, Selassie. And none of we not support the Rasta man them. A big hypocrite. We know better than the pastors them. Pastors then come every day and tell the people stupidness and I tell them lie. They come like that roll the way I go. Take up now as artists. Or way I do. Me not depend that. When me say a mini Miguel Orlando Collins. And from me get the breaking and reggae music, up a Bobo Hill, me make sure there. And down a Naya Bingi, and the people say, where's Sizzla that we can't see Sizzla? Me say, you can ask the police them, you know. Them tired for stop me, ask me, may I go them hours a night. I'm going to Naya Bingi to chant for His Majesty, the King of Kings. So we need to see more youths in the tabernacle. And once we start going to the tabernacle now, then we can go to the street in the perfect order set by Prince Emmanuel, Marcus Garvey and Selassie and our fathers and mothers from Jamaica. And then we can start protest in a good sense. The reason why the people can't get the protests to deal with Babylon case, we the artists were not united. And remember the prophecy said, singers and players of instrument, my springs are in thee. So we the artists need to go before, because the people them are go riot, them the ex-music, the people them are go protest, you know. But when them out there, why? You know, so we need little water, dada. Okay, Mr. Prime Minister, no vaccine. Oh yes, we've been protesting since 5 hours now. No little food, no little refreshment for the people them on the road. The money there in the artists, them pocket, we're supposed to sponsor and support the people's cause. The nation depends on the artists and the Rasta man, especially for their redemption and for their well-being. Yeah, the nation depends on the politician and the government for fix up a country and fix up a road and set up the school system and the health system and something. But we the artists, the people deal with I and I more serious. Boots on the grounds, hands on the handle. When it comes to poor people, black people, we as artists, we need to deal with seriously. Boots on the grounds, hands on the handle. We need to see the nice, sexy female artists, them. I go up a Bobo Hill and go down a Bingi. Say, why? Because the woman, the female artist not going to Bobo Hill, and the female artists, they're not going to Naya Bingi and all these black cultural churches and offices and associations like the UNIA, Marcus Garvey places, Paul Bogle places. We the artists and the women in the music industry, the millionaire women in the music industry, they are not going to these places so they can criticize. So when you have a lot of women going to these places with their scope and with their experience and expertise as females, they'll see that the place needed to be developed. And Bobo Shanti say, when you put the women and the children in front, Babylon have to seize the gun. You see me? So we're not going on the street to protest in a violent way. No, we're just going to voice our opinion and make our words be known. We don't need no vaccine. We need repatriation. We need reparation. You're taking the money for repatriation. You have repatriation money. What is it you're doing with it? Repatriation, you know, that fear by ship. We don't have no ship as Jamaica government. We need all outcomes. We say we una extended arm of the British government, and you ain't got no ships. Marcus Garvey, the hero, said ship. And Jamaica need ships. We need planes. You know, all me alone should have all 15 private jets to fly out black people to Africa and them thing there. Come on, man. Marcus Garvey said ships. So we are an industrial country, industrious. So that we deal with. More music, more life.
Boy, my viewers and subscribers. You hear Sizzla say, yo, the whole of them rich, you know? Big up Foota hype again. Foota did don't talk, Foota always attack it. So the rest of them rich. And the ball let them too. Rich out of music. One song can make you rich. Because I know one man music changed my life and him say him not look back. Because he wasn't a good artist. He just lucky to get a hit. A song with connect and him open businesses out of it. See? And it's still sustaining today of him royalties after one song. So the man them can do better. Me personally didn't know say the Rasta community segregate up. You know, I know say there is a segregation between the man them because you can imagine if the man them build together and have the unity, they have the podium there, have the what I call it, another union there. Fight together as brother and sister, the empresses them, the fire empress them. Big segregation, Capleton, Sizzla, Buju. Yes, Sizzla tell you say, the man them now hold no other, the man them now hold no foot, the man them now got hold no reverence, them now got Boboil, them now got Tabernacle. You see me? With that Naya Bingi, you see me as a 12 tribe. Them now hold no meds. Them now hold no other, just party and liquor and girls and all them things. And who have the biggest ride and the biggest house. Shame on the Rasta community them. I'm glad how Sizzla come talk it now, because a long time Foota say it. And me, personally, I observe it from long time, years. I say, oh, I don't see Capleton them and Buju them and Sizzla them. You see me? Antony be them. I don't see them a gel together. Like, you don't see a couple artists that ends out. You see me? Dancehall artists that ends out on all the corners. So, you know, see the man them together. If a man does in the corner. Yeah, Sizzla tell us that the man them now come a Boboil. I am alone, I go there for years. So you must know, say, a long time that. And all of them rich. All of them rich off a Rastafari. Foota tell you no. But not for one say Foota chat too much. You Sizzla come talk it out time out there. You see me? Yeah, I say Foota do a live today where I say, yo, like him and Sizzla. I try to style him. You know, Foota, you don't know you're the viral king and you talk facts, brother, enough people. And I like you for that. You see me? Whether you do a vlog and just one thing we did say. I don't never like how you talk against Winfred, like saying a bigger than him and, you know, bigger than his platform and all those stuff. I just that alone me the same I like. But Foota, you know me have high regard and respect for Foota hype, you see me? Yeah, but Sizzla come talk it, the Capleton, the Bugle, the whole of them are rich out of dancehall and reggae. Not doing nothing. And at them, the people them look up to, them should not give back more. And they can because them rich. Millionaires, them rich. Rich. Yes, Sizzla going to tell you what I'm out there. My viewers and subscribers, I don't have much to say now. Let me know what you think in the comment section, yeah, man. I don't know what I love, you know. Is it the intro? I'm feeling great. Yeah, man, I'm glad, you know, I'm a build a relationship with you and the love. So give thanks for the support. Without your support, the channel can't grow and we can't get motivated because when we interact, I always try my best to interact back. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. One of the reason why I'm vlogging again, see? So you don't know, it's another vlog. I ride with our boss now, brag. We keep it real on the back of field. Everything silent, seal. Yeah, man, we not sell the soul from the deal. We keep it real. Yeah, man, you don't know. I want to love. Lion foot. And I'm out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Then, yeah, man, I'm going to check out Sizzla Kalanji new album. Sound good? Yeah, man.
Make your prayers,